Nomad Esim Review. Is it good travel eSIM? Hello and welcome to our channel WebWest. In this tutorial, I'm going to review this Nomad Esim. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account in Nomad, you could also use the link in the description below, in which by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. Now in case you're not familiar with eSIMs, there are SIM cards that can be installed on your phone without the need for physical chip. And with eSIM, you have the flexibility to switch between providers and plans based on your location and requirements. And this can save you both money and hassle of dealing with roaming charges, searching for SIM cards, or carrying physical SIM cards. And with Nomad Esim, it provides eSIM for both Androids and iOS devices. However, it is important to ensure that your phone is compatible with technology before getting started. And also, Nomad Esim offers a range of plans tailored to suit countries' durations, to stay, and data requirements. And additionally, it's worth noting that you have the option to purchase multiple eSIMs and effortlessly switch between them using your phone. And Nomad Esim boasts of providing dependable coverage in sought-after travel destinations. And additionally, they offer a customer support team that you can reach out to in case you encounter any problems. And now that we know the background and overview about Nomad Esim, let's now focus on the pros and cons of using this Nomad Esim. Now let's start by knowing the pros or advantages of Nomad Esim. It is convenience and flexibility in which you can activate your online, eliminating the need for physical SIM card or visiting a local store. And additionally, you can have the freedom to switch between providers and plans based on your requirements and locations. And also, it is cost effectiveness since Nomad Esim offers pricing when compared to eSIM providers or local SIM cards. And this allows you to save money on roaming charges while avoiding scams from vendors. It also provides reliability and speed since Nomad Esim prides itself on providing coverage and fast internet speeds in travel destinations. And you can confidently use the apps like Google Maps, WhatsApp, Instagram, and Netflix without any disruptions. However, the cons or disadvantages of using Nomad Esim is that it offers limited availability in countries. Before making purchase, it is essential to check if Nomad Esim has coverage in the country you plan to visit, since they do not offer service worldwide. And for example, they currently do not provide coverage in the Maldives. And aside from that, it is also incompatibility with all the phone models, since Nomad Esim is only compatible with devices that have capabilities which are not yet widely available. And it's important to check if your phone is on their list of supported devices before making a purchase to avoid wasting your money. Now moving on to the pricing plan of Nomad Esim, it offers data plans at local rates in over 165 countries, and they provide various pricing plans for different countries and durations. And if you scroll down below here, you will see below the limited time offer plan, the local eSIM and regional eSIMs. And as you can see, under United States, it offers 10 GB for 30 days, amounting to $20 USD or almost $2 per gigabyte, while in Canada amounting to $30 USD, which means $3 per gigabyte, while China amounting to $15 USD, which means $1.50 per gigabyte, and United Kingdom amounting to $15, same as China amounting to $1.50 per gigabyte. And you could also see here some of the offer on APAC, Europe, Singapore, Thailand, and Spain. And these limited time offers provide prepaid data eSIMs at competitive prices for travelers. And the specific details on the plans, including the pricing and data allowances, may vary based on the destination and duration of the plan. And aside from that, you could also navigate here the local eSIMs, in which it also provides travelers with high-speed, flexible, and no-contract eSIM data and SMS at competitive prices. And these plans allow users to stay connected at near local rates, without the hassle of switching out physical SIM cards. And as you can see, we have here Italy starting from 1.65 per gig, Canada is starting from $3 per gigabyte, while Japan amounting to $1.70 per gigabyte, and Turkey starting from $1.50 per gig, while Singapore is starting from $0.98 per gig, and many more. So basically, the eSIM will automatically connect to the best local network at the destination, ensuring seamlessly connectivity. And aside from that, you could also navigate here the regional eSIMs, in which these regional plans allow travelers to stay connected at near local rates in multiple countries within the specified region, and the specific details on the regional plans including pricing and data allowances that is may vary in region and duration. For example, we have here Europe, which is available in 35 countries starting from $1.30 per gigabyte. And aside from that, on the top panel, by clicking Shop Plans and clicking Data, you will be directed on this page. And from here, you can simply see all of the countries in which Nomad is available. You have here Asia, America, Europe, and many more. And if you're looking for a specific country, you could also search on this search bar. For instance, I'm going to search for Singapore, and it will show you below the result of the country. And also, Nomad Esim offers an enterprise solution for businesses, providing essential mobile data services for employees traveling abroad. And to avail business plan, all you need to do is to fill out all of the required information and just click the send button right here. And also, if you have other question, you could also go back to this page and just simply click this hyperlink text that says, "Wait, I have more questions." And by clicking on it, you will be directed on this page. And from here, it will show you some of the topic that you could possibly ask them. But if you want to contact them via their customer support, you can do that by simply clicking this Contact Us button, in which you will be directed on this page. And all you need to do is to fill out your email address, your description or your concern, and also your problem with. And you can even attach a files or attachment on this page. Now, in conclusion, Nomad Esim presents a solution for travelers seeking internet connectivity abroad. However, it does have limitation when compared to eSIM providers. One notable disadvantage is the absence of data plans offered by Nomad, and moreover, the purchase process might not be streamlined as the other providers. Despite of this downside, Nomad Esim offers benefits including affordability and user-friendliness, in which it serves as a choice for individuals desiring to stay connected while traveling across countries. And all things considered, Nomad Esim proves to be an option for cost travelers who value convenience. However, it might not be the optimal choice for those who require unlimited data or more seamless purchasing experience. So that is just basically the review about Nomad Esim. Thank you.